I wanted to wrap up our course by going over a couple of web tips and tricks that you can do inside of Illustrator. The first thing that I like to do is I like to work with modular components when I'm making a website design. You can create modular components out of anything that you're going to reuse multiple times. And remember that we can use the symbol library to be able to manage and store these elements. Here I have a footer, and I've already turned this into a symbol. And if I want to create multiple versions of my website, all I have to do is drag out the entire footer graphic, and within seconds, I have a footer already built for my website. Another advantage of using symbols in this way is that when you modify elements, they'll update across your entire website. Not only is this going to save you time, but it's going to guarantee consistency. You can use this for any shared component, like a footer, a menu, panels, whatever you find to be useful and something that you want to be repetitive on multiple pages. The next item that you'll want to do inside of Illustrator is create clipping masks. There's no need to use Photoshop to crop an image. You can use Illustrator's mask features to choose which part of an image you want to show. You can use rectangles, circles, ellipses, or any other vector shape as a mask. Here I have an image, and I have a circle on top of it. I'm going to shift-click to select both of those items, and I'll use Object, Clipping Mask, Make. When I do that, it's going to only display the image inside of the circle, which is what I want. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to add a stroke now so that the image matches the other image that I'm using in my document. So I'll set the stroke color to white, and I'll increase the size to 2 pixels. Now I have a great clipped image that's going to display in just the way I want it to.